I don't see how this works for our bottom line.
That's absurd. My evil plan to take over the world and cut you in 25% is genius.
I don't believe you. You don't even have a cat and aren't submitting this via remote satellite.
I figured I could be more impressive in person. Besides, my cat is at the vet and my chair is being upholstered.
Your budget is ridiculous and we cannot float such expenses from our accounts.
I fund the project through pain and suffering of others.
What's your business model consist of in the next 3 fiscal accountings with this firm? Can you ensure stability and growth? I say the answer is no.
You get to fire a giant laser beam from outer space.
I'll have to test this first before any final decisions are made.
Brilliant.